importers and exporter database for automobile sector, which is received from Mumbai port. Of course, it's a free of cost. So click here. Automobile and exporters from Mumbai port. The PDF file is getting loading. So and updates from Mumbai port trust cities and automobile importers and exporters, major shipping agent operators, of course, automobile CHA handling agents, major shipping agents, automobile CHA handling agents. There are more companies, we can see it, right? Under there are multiple subdivision for automobiles too. That's good. Let's see how to find them. For example, it's an Angria Sea Eagle Private Limited. So we are going to type it in Google. Angria Sea Eagle Limited. So this is Angria Cruises. If it is automobile sector, of course, in the same time I can say cruises, Costa Cruises, cruise. What is cruise? It's related to actually cruise is called not automobile. Fertilization, Godrej Consumer, Sah Petroleum, Kamania Oil, Pulse CHAs, Tina Type Private Limited. Okay, it's a luxury company. It's a cruise ship provider. Database Commodities, Poondal, Basin Mills, Agri Trade India Services. Okay, fine. This is related to Pulses Importers, Shop Corporation, ETA Agro. So when you search it in Google, you possible to identify the company name also, ETG Agro. ETG Agro Limited. Okay, it's a Mumbai based company. There is a contact number, of course there is a website. So they are agricultural production in India, so we can approach them for automobile, actually pulse importers, right? Pulses importers. Thank you.